Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to preface this video. This year, I became the maintenance officer for a flying club here at Purdue called Purdue Pilots Incorporated, and our planes have been grounded for close to a year now due to COVID-19 and the school's regulations. And we finally got the airplanes back in the air. And this video is me going with the president of PPI and making sure that everything on the planes is still working, all the radios and equipment. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And thanks for watching as always. Good morning, guys. It's 7:30 a.m. Here in West Lafayette, and we're going to fly some airplanes. So let's go to the airport.
Yeah, they're all down. Kentland traffic, we're 434 Golf, turning final 27, Kentland. A little bit of power here. Oh. You're good. Okay, you're good. I'm good. Let's go. Oh, okay, yeah, pull the power back. Yeah, we'll taxi back. Yeah, Mike County, well, we can switch seats. I don't know. Yeah. Nah, it's up to you. You want to sit left seat? Yeah, I'm down. Sure. Don't try this at home, kids. Here we go. Let's go. Engine instruments are in the green. And it's looking pretty good. Airspeed's alive. Both airspeeds are alive.
Whitecap traffic, Archer Purdue 54 is left base for runway 36, Whitecap.
Yeah, so they're in the power line. Hey guys, this is Srinath. Hey. Yeah, you wanna introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Sri. I run the PPI club at Purdue Pilots Incorporated. We're a student-run flying club at Purdue University. Like Benjamin, I study aerospace engineering at Purdue.
Yeah. And you're a commercial pilot, right?
I am, yeah. I just got my commercial pilot certificate about a month and a half ago. So.
We just got this PPI plane back in the air since March. Hasn't flown since March.
March 2020.
33 running 28 taxi Alpha, hold short.
And it flies fine. The EIS is a little wonk. We had a 14,000 degree cylinder for a second there. So, it came back. That's weird. So the EIS needs to get checked out, but otherwise everything else is operational. Radios and all. So, successful day for this Warrior's return to the sky. And it is due for an annual next month, so it'll be going in for that. Anyways, we're approaching here, 11 miles. You want to give them a call?
Yeah, sure. Lafayette Tower, Warrior 4347 Golf, 11 miles north. Full stop with Zulu.
Here come the Pappies. Idle throttle.
Purdue 71, contact Grissom approach. Contact Grissom, Purdue 71.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this is the week after the last flight. One of the Warriors 3 Tango had a dead battery, so we had to replace the battery, basically. The starter wouldn't turn over the propeller. And here we are, ready to go. Weather looks great, so we're gonna go test fly it. Let's go.
Tango, runway 23 full length, clear for takeoff, understand this to be a boarded takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23 full length, board takeoff, 33 Tango.
Mixer's rich. Fuel pump on. Check.
So you're about to cut over final for 2-3, the runway you're assigned to. So make a left turn into the downwind for 2-3.
Engine instruments look good. RPMs are good.
Sounds good.
Okay, something happened. We're boarding.
Geez, go ahead and just kind of make a right turn now. Go back to the downwind. And then we'll call your base, okay?
Sounds good. There's 60 knots.
Traffic
We're flying.
North
Yeah.
currently about...
We are up.
33 Tango flies again.
Make right driver 2-3, look for traffic.
I guess we're doing a right 270.
Sounds good. Man, I used to be a track up person, and I'm kind of getting converted to up north.
North up.
Because when I was on my low en route, I just couldn't freaking read it when I was upside down. Like on a GPS, I'll do track up, but I think on my charts and stuff, I think I gotta do track north.
Welcome on Traffic Warrior 3033 Tango is 5 miles to the west. Plane to overfly midfield and join left traffic runway 23 Kokomo. And Kokomo Traffic 33 Tango is over Kokomo. We're gonna overfly the field and join left traffic runway 23 Kokomo.
Okay, wanna run before landing?
Sure. Before landing checklist, fuel selector full as tank, mixture full rich, fuel pump on, flaps as required, carburetor heat off,
Carburetor heat off.
airspeed 65-75. Kokomo Traffic 33 Tango, final runway 23, full stop. Kokomo.
Kokomo Traffic, Captain on 5057 Charlie, left base, runway 23, Kokomo Traffic.
Nice. Oh, flat, but not bad.
Made it.
We'll get off at the Midway taxiway.
Sure.
Kokomo traffic, Warrior 3033 Tango is taken 2-3. Kokomo.
Airspeed alive,
Engine instruments are the green.
40 knots,
Cross check.
50 knots. 60
Rotate.
knots. Do you know if Purdue's still keeping the Cirruses?
No, they I think the last one went out.
Oh, okay. What do they do with them?
They sold them. They sold them all off.
Warrior 3033 Tango Lafayette Tower, report a 7 mile straight in for runway 28.
Okay, we'll report a 7 mile straight in, runway 28. 3033 Tango.
3033 Tango, runway 28, clear to land.
Runway 28, clear to land. 3033 Tango. Clear to land.
Clear to land.
Extend another mile for short approach, Purdue 57.
Hey, sir.
Great.
Purdue 54, extend a half mile downwind past the 4 stacks. I got 1 departure prior to arrival. Downwind, right, 1 mile, 54.
Road final.
Purdue 54, just extend a half mile past the 4 stacks.
Flaps down, gear down.
Mile 54.
You're down. Turn it off. Radios.
30 Tango, right turn Charlie 1, contact ground point error.
Right turn Charlie 1, ground point error, 3033 Tango.
Is controlled Build up maybe. A little stiff, I don't know.
Yeah, right. Lafayette ground, we're 3033 Tango clear of runway 28 at Charlie 1, like taxi straight ahead to the ramp.
3 Tango Lafayette ground, taxi straight ahead.
Taxi straight ahead 303 Tango, thanks.
Hey everybody, just wanted to give a little update. I am now instrument rated. Here's some footage from my first flight where I actually got to file a flight plan under my own name for the first time. And so we're going to have some instrument flying come into the channel now. So stay tuned, hope you're excited, and thanks for watching as always. Peace.